Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial about how you can create your Threads account. So to create your Threads account, open your browser and search threads.com. Well, to sign up on Threads, you have to have an Instagram account. So click on Continue with Instagram. Since I've already signed into my Instagram account, it's giving me the option to select it. And then just select your Instagram account here. Just in case, if you haven't signed into your Instagram account, use your Instagram credentials to create your account. Then select whether you want to make your Threads profile public or private, and click on Next, and then join Threads. Now, your Threads account has just been created and you can make changes according to your needs. Well, here on the sidebar, you can search and follow people. And by clicking on this plus sign, you can share your ideas. And here you can check your notifications. And under your profile tab, you can not just edit your profile, but also can check all your activities. Moreover, you can change your thread settings under this menu. Anyhow, this is how you can create your Threads account, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.